Hi friends, this video is my toddler curly hair tutorial sharing our 3 go-to hairstyles for my 1.5-year-old son. So I'd like to start off by pretending that my son will sit still so that I can wash and condition his hair with ease. Honestly, it's a lot of distraction and rushing during this process, and sometimes I even hop in with him and do a full-out hair care session including detangling and all that, but on most days I'm detangling outside of the bath after his hair has been cleansed and conditioned with gentle sulfate-free products that I will list below. Now, I typically wash his hair once or twice a week and just refresh it in between the styles I'm going to show you. The first style is a 2-in-1. I take little sections, no fancy parting, and simply twirl his curls around my finger. Sometimes I will do a 2-strand twist, but I find this a lot easier and faster with a squirming toddler. When the style dries, I simply pull down the curls slightly because of the shrinkage, and the next day I'll separate the curls and create another curly look that will look super hydrated and last for a day or a day and a half. Our most practical look for time and effort is of course the wash and go. Sometimes I'll use this jelly that will allow the curls to last up to 3 days while looking hydrated and feeling soft to the touch without any crunch at all. Now, because curly hair loves to attract lint balls and toddlers do a lot of rolling around and laying in blankets and whatnot, I often detangle as much as I can and then trim out the lint balls if they're too difficult to get out by detangling. So to me, it's not really worth the effort, headache, or pain just to, take off a little bit of hair. It's not a big deal to me. Our last look is of course the man bun, or the top knot, whatever you want to call it, which tends to be a hipster favorite. Now, I typically do this look when his hair is already freshly washed so that I'm not pulling too much on his hair. I keep the back part left alone as it's still growing in and doesn't need that extra tension. And the front tends to get a little bit messy, of course, which makes him look like a mini rock star or soccer player, and it's super cute. And that is it. I'll leave the products used below. Please let me know if you'd like to see any more toddler related content on my channel. Let me know which look is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.